DEGOL Hardware Company Limited is a leading company in the market of hardware since 2012, owning 800 square meters headquarters in Jiangmen, over 3,000 square meters workplace in all locations. We specialize in architectural hardware, furniture hardware, and offer a wide range of products including handles, locks, hinges, etc. Most of our products are made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable, rust-resistant, and easy to maintain. Application in hotels, apartments, office buildings, and hospitals. The goal concept is to serve our customers good quality with an acceptable price. Our factory have cutting machines, bending machines, welding machines, stamping machines, automatic screw packing machine, CNC machines, and laser logo machine. Independently developing more than 10 patented products which of door hinge, door stopper, and door handle and so on, and accept make OEM brand, print logo on product and customized packing. Since 2013, we invest online and trade show like Canton Fair, China International Furniture Fair, Germany International Hardware Fair, Saudi Project, Brazil Fair, expanded Europe, United States, Middle East, South America, and Asia business over 60 countries. DEGOL is proud of all staffs including sales team, purchasing team, QC team, marketing team, technology team, production team. We insist to offer reasonable price, comprehensive solutions, excellent service, prompt delivery to our value customers. Overall, we are your reputable and reliable supplier in China. DEGOL, more than business, be your partner. Welcome to visit us for win-win cooperation.